A high-quality backpack does more than just hold the drone. It organizes specialized accessories like the RCN3 remote, the two-way charging hub, and spare flight batteries. Here we have best backpacks for DJI Neo 2.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Zhixteu backpack. The Zhixteu backpack stands out as a precision-engineered choice specifically tailored for the DJI Neo 2 ecosystem and its compact requirements. It is primarily known for its custom-molded EVA interior, which ensures that every component of the Fly More combo fits snugly without any internal shifting during transit. This backpack often utilizes a high-grade PU leather exterior that provides a sleek, professional aesthetic while being inherently splash-proof and dust-resistant. It is particularly effective for pilots who prefer a minimal footprint, as it manages to store the drone, 4 batteries, and the remote controller in a surprisingly slim profile. The reinforced handle and adjustable shoulder strap make it an ideal companion for hikers and urban explorers who need quick access to their drone for spontaneous palm takeoffs. By focusing on a shock-absorbent design, the Zhixteu protects the drone's sensitive omnidirectional sensors from the vibrations and minor impacts common during daily commutes. On number 2, we have generic backpack. For pilots looking for a balanced mix of utility and affordability, the generic backpack options for the DJI Neo 2 provide an excellent entry point for new flyers. These bags typically feature a universal internal layout or semi-rigid foam inserts that can be adapted for various configurations, whether you are carrying the standard drone or the full Fly More accessory kit. This large-capacity storage bag is specially designed for the Neo 2 and can also accommodate goggles and 3 glasses with ease. The hard-shell protective case offers excellent crush resistance and shock absorption, keeping your gear safe during transport and storage. Wrapped in comfortable, high-quality fabric, the carry case feels pleasant in hand and is easy to carry for everyday use or travel. Thoughtfully designed details further improve convenience, making packing, accessing, and organizing your equipment simple and hassle-free. It is the perfect solution for users who want a practical, no-frills storage option that prioritizes internal volume and cost-effectiveness. On number 3, we have Somoaai backpack. The Somoaai backpack is the premium choice for those who have invested in the Motion Fly More combo and require extra space for immersive FPV peripherals. This hard-shell backpack is custom designed to fit the Neo 2 drone, offering a dedicated and secure storage solution for safe transport. The rigid exterior shell helps protect the drone from impacts, pressure, and everyday wear during travel. Designed primarily to carry the drone itself, the backpack provides a compact and efficient way to transport your gear without unnecessary bulk. Adjustable shoulder straps enhance comfort and stability, while the backpack-style design allows for hands-free carrying, making it easy to bring your drone along wherever your adventures take you. It includes specialized slots for SD cards and propeller guards, ensuring that every small part has a secure home. This is the definitive solution for the power user who wants a tactical-grade carrying case that prioritizes the safety of high-end flight gear in any environment. So these are some of the best backpacks to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.